Hi, so this is an add-on that I improve called Ngon's Loop Select, but I call it Loop Select Plus on GitHub to make no confusion because it was not on GitHub but on Blender Artist. But I will put the link on Blender Artist. So we can select wool loop where we can't in Blender doing Alt left click, because we have an Ngon there, so you do have to Shift Alt left click to continue, Control left click, and do the wool loop like this. So this is quite long, but if you do double left click, this is selecting the wool loop. So you can extend with a Shift double left click the selection like this. So very useful. You can if you are now it is working. If you are in vertex selection, you are over an edge, you double click, and this is automatically going into edge selection doing it. So after it was not working on geometry like this, but now it is working. So if you do there orient, it is inverting to search in this direction, but I recommend to let by default what it was. So if you do this, you can select this, but okay, I wanted to show there that if I have only between this face and this face we have an angle of 19 degrees, and there we have a very low angle. So if you do this, you need to reduce the angle to have an effect. But after this is going straight because we have a too low angle. So this is a problem there. So you can do there like this, and you can only select this in fact there. Okay, so it was just to show you the difference between high angle and less high angle. So by default 20 and orient, and normally you don't touch this, but in more complex situations you can try to select there to see what you have. So this is selecting all around, but if we do orient, we can have this selection there. It is working too. So this is better to choose the two following angles. And now we have more. So we have because we begin with a less higher angle. So higher angle like this. This is better to select higher angle at first. But if I don't do orient, it is searching in this direction. So after this is doing all around like this. So if you have a non-manifold, this is not a problem. So if I do X faces, if I do there, it will do nothing. If I do there, this is working, but there is no, I will show there is no error in fact. Okay, this is not doing an error, so no problem. So I think this is all that I wanted to show. So mainly you can select things like this, and this is what we want. And of course extrude in the other direction, the base. And now we have the properties with the hotkeys. So we can, if we want to change this to middle click, and I do middle click there and shift like this, or I can do of course shift middle click. Okay, so I can save, and I will restart to see if it is okay. So double middle click, this is less reactive but this is working. Okay, so shift middle click, and you can change no problem the keys like this. So I will put again shift and save, And of course, if you remove, all is well removed, no problem too. So I tell you bye, and I hope it's useful. I think it's a good, very good tool. Okay, bye.